tumawag, B. Anak, doon ka muna, please. Okay, next one. Short sleeves, again. Oh my God, this one is small. Small naman ito, mga beb. Size is small. Code po natin dito is fresh. Code natin dito is fresh. Size po natin is small. Fresh for only 199 pesos. 199. Still na 299. Good for still yan si fresh. Okay, next. More short sleeves. Ay, eto ang bongga for a short sleeves, be. Oh my God, sobrang ganda nito. Pahingin naman akong bag dyan, dad. Please. Oh my God, sobrang ganda na ito.
Pwede, bag lang.
Bag daw po. Sobrang ganda nito. Code po natin dito is Azul. Code natin is Azul. Size po natin is medium best fit. Paganyan siya. Code natin is Azul. Azul
Leather
for
fabric.
only 250, still ng 350. Good for sale. May leather fabric. Leather. Parang hindi ko na ano na may leather ngayon.
Wala.
Oo, wala masyado. Brand new po yan. Hindi po, madam. This one is thrifted po. Pero some of it has tags pa po, mga B. O, ganito yung style niyan, be. So, the other one, wala siyang pakwelyo style. Ayan, para pang travel, ganon. Size po natin is medium basket. Code po natin dito is airport. Code natin dito is airport. Size is medium large. Code is airport. Airport for 250